What you doing? Getting used to your crate tonight? So last night here, and she's going to be crate trained for potty training. She's looking in the mirror at herself. Who's that puppy? Who's that puppy? Who's that little baby in the mirror over there looking at you? It's a baby. It's a baby. Kiara? It's a baby. It's a little baby. She's so cute. You trying to smell her? Get her. Who is it? Kiara. Kiara. Hi, baby. Her little nose is going up and down, sniffing, trying to smell that little herself that's in the mirror. What you doing? That's a baby. Kiara.